I'm April Lim, a teacher from Option for Learning Full Day Preschool Division. Today we're going to do an activity. Before the activity, I would like to ask my friends, at home, have you ever helped your parents to do some chores? These chores could be like mopping the floor, setting up the table for meal times, doing the dishes, throwing the trash out, doing the laundry, cleaning up the toys, anything, any chores that you have at home that you help your parents. Our activity for today is matching. At home, I believe all the parents, your parent or the adult doing the laundries. In the laundries, there are some jackets, there are some sweaters, there are some socks, there are some pants that we have in the laundry. And I have right now a basket of the socks. This is the easy activity that everybody can do at home. When your parents do laundry and you are helping with that. In the laundry, there's a lot of socks in the laundry. In the laundry here, okay? And now I have the basket, there are the socks inside. So when I'm taking the socks, I have a sock here. And this is a blue socks. In the blue sock, what can you see? There's some patterns here. What is this? This called hearts, right? You are going to match another socks with this. So you just have to look through the laundry, look through the basket, whatever you guys put the laundry, and you're gonna find the matching one. So we call it matching socks. So I have the blue socks with the hearts on it. I'm gonna look through it. Am I going to use this to match my socks? I don't think so, no. Am I going to use this? Is this match? Are they match? No, this is not match. Now, how about this? Are they matched to you? Yes, they match. So this is called matching. So now you find a pair of these socks. So you might put it away, you roll it up, you fold it up, whatever you find it, you fold it, you just roll it up, whatever you want, then you put it away. So this is called match. So now I have another one. Oops, what did I find in the laundry? It's a white socks. I'm looking inside the laundry again. I'm finally found this. Is this match? No, not. How about maybe this one? Is this matching? No, So look again. How about this? Do they match? Yes, they do match, because they both are whites. And now you find a pair of socks. You match the socks again. You found another pair. So you just fold it, you just roll it up, whatever you need to do. Now you find the pairs. So this is called matching. And this is very simple that you can do at home. No materials needed. So what you need is just helping with the laundry. Okay, matching. This is called matching. You'll find exactly the same item together. The same colors, the same patterns. A pair of socks, they are the same patterns, same colors. This is what you need to do. And I hope you like this activity, and I hope you help your parents to do some chores at home. Just a very simple thing, doing the laundry and find the match socks. Thank you very much. I'll see you next time.